Fresh. Yeah, the galaxy is my neighborhood, my whole hood. Giving it to your mom. Bending over, rebel scum. Giving it to your mom. I'm your new big Darth Knob papa. Yeah, I'm your new papa. Yeah. The galaxy is my neighborhood. Got my air breather filled up with OG dark side kush. Yeah. Hey, what, Admiral? I told you to warn me when you're gonna come in on me like that. What is it? What, Captain Carmick? He's heading the Canadian Foreign Defense Division. What? We seen that. What the hell's a we seen that? What? I demand to know right now, Admiral. What's a we seen that? Do they see us right now? Possible. Oh my God. Put the shields up. Put the shields up, Admiral. Oh, just a second. Oh. Hey, Captain Carmen, come in. Yeah. It's Darth Knob. Yeah. What is this we seen that we've been hearing about? Huh? What do you mean that's classified? Tell me what we seen that is. Do you see me right now? Yes. What? You seen my rap? What? What did you think of it? Really? Yeah. I've been doing it for a while, so it doesn't matter. How did you link up with the Canadian government? What do you mean you are the Canadian government? Captain Carmen, how is this possible? Thought we decimated you. And I want my 2 pallets of Dark Side Stanky Danky back. I know it was my boy that hijacked that load. Yes. Yes, I know you've been hanging out with my son, Larry Cloud Twerker. And I'm not amused. You cannot run and hide. Captain Carmick from the dark side.